the capital of South Korea and is known for its famous temples and four major palaces. Seoul is also famous for its cultural and artistic attraction. A lot of tourists get to see a dazzling range of experiences, beautiful landscapes, and 5,000 years of culture and history. South Korea is a dream destination, an engaging, welcoming place where the benefits of a high-tech nation are balanced alongside a reverence for tradition. Seoul showcases a culture that embraces all walks of life, from street food vendors to festivals for the entire family. South Korea has been renowned for its globally influential pop culture, particularly in music, the famous K-pop, K-dramas, and cinema, a phenomenon referred to as Korean Wave. One of the extraordinary places is Mount Sorak, Korea. It is the third highest mountain in Korea, located at the Taebaek Mountain in Gangwon Province. Everland is South Korea's largest theme park, located at the Everland Resort in Yongin. It receives 5.85 million visitors annually and was ranked 19th in the World Amusement Park attendance in 2018. And Korea's visit wouldn't be complete without the Seoul Tower experience. The tower's main attractions include the multicolored digital against projected onto the tower at night, a digital observatory, a roof terrace, and the Han Cook restaurant.